Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing 6 to 8 core topics that dominate the GATE syllabus. This ensures high return on effort. Once done, pick one authoritative textbook and one concise note source to cross-check facts and formulas. Start immediately. Open a fresh notes document and label topic, subtopic, and goal. Use a 45 to 60-minute focus session with a timer so you stay productive. Make sure to record only concepts, key formulas, and typical problem types rather than full explanations. Now you condense material into structured short notes. Start each section with the formula, then add a one-line derivation or condition to clarify when it applies. Next, use bullets, symbols, and consistent shorthand to keep entries compact. Include a single worked example to show usage. Once you finish a topic, draw a quick arrow to related topics and tag each item as high, medium, or low priority. This makes review faster and helps you spot gaps before practice. Finish by refining and testing your short notes. Convert long entries into flashcards or one-line prompts so you can quiz yourself quickly. Once done, schedule 10 to 15-minute daily reviews and a weekly active recall session with timed problems to reinforce retention. If you hit confusion, make sure to rebuild that specific topic from first principles in one brief pass. Rewrite key steps and rederive the core formula. This targeted rebuild is the fastest troubleshooting step when notes fail to stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.